Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can convert your text to video. You can use this AI for free by clicking the link in the description. First I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a quote on success. I'll simply copy the quote. Then I'll go to Invideo and I'll click on AI text to video. Here are some templates. I'll select this template and click on use template. Your scenes will appear here. Here you need to paste your script. I'll paste my script and then I'll click on create scene. Okay, so my video is ready. Let's see. This is how you can convert text into video by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.